Today I want to talk about a condition that you've likely heard of and probably experienced as well, and that is Gerd, gastroesophageal reflux disorder. This particular disorder occurs when the lower esophageal sphincter becomes dysfunctional. You see, when we consume food, it goes from our mouth down our esophagus and then is supposed to dump into the stomach. A little door, a little muscle at the end of the esophagus is supposed to open when we consume food and then close once the food dumps into the stomach. If that door does not close, stomach contents can splash into the esophagus and cause you to have symptoms. Usually you refer to that as heartburn, Gerd. It's refluxing back up. Over time, this can be a problem because the pH of the lower esophagus and the pH of the stomach are totally different. Our stomach pH is very acidic, between 1 and 3. When that splashes up into the esophagus that is not used to that low pH, that acidity, you get the burning sensation, heartburn. And that's not good because over time, that can lead to lower esophageal cancer, usually caused by adenocarcinoma. Now, what can lower the tone of that lower esophageal sphincter? 1, caffeine, chocolate, alcohol, smoking, garlic, onion, some citrus fruits, certain medications like calcium channel blockers for your blood pressure or your heart, certain asthma medicines. What about those GLP medicines that are really famous right now that you're taking for your diabetes or weight loss? How do they increase Gerd? Well, if they're lowering gastric emptying to make you feel fuller longer, you're having more stomach contents remain in your stomach longer. And that has a propensity to splash back up through the esophageal sphincter and into the lower esophagus. So what we do is we usually go to the doctor and say, oh my gosh, I'm having problems. Doc, I'm having problems with heartburn. I need something. And they could possibly just prescribe you a proton pump inhibitor like omeprazole, Prilosec, or Protonix, or Prevacid, or Acifex, or Zegrid. A lot of times you can get these over the counter. But mind you, these are not benign medications. You are changing a normal pH of our stomach, which is 1 to 3, and we are making it anywhere from 2 to 6 alkaline. This is going to cause problems. And we can talk about this in our live streams and go through the whole process of what's going on. But just remember that every time we take a medication, we are changing a normal biologic process that's going on in our body. You guys have a great day. See ya.